Big Grizzlies, built right for big loaders.
Come on, get your split on. Blueline, Rock Grizzly.
Hey guys, this is David over at Blueline Rock Grizzly, and this is a beefy 4 or 5 yard, 6.5 inch minus, high performance Blueline Rock Grizzly. Guys, special shout out to Nathan over at Euchre Mountain Logging Inc out of Big Fork, Montana. This Grizzly will serve you well. So this high performance Blueline Rock Grizzly offers a self-cleaning deck. What that means, if you happen to get a rock stuck, all you gotta do is keep feeding it. It will naturally dislodge any obstruction. If you happen to be processing some wet material, or if you're processing too fast, all you gotta do is engage the bumper plates underneath this deck, and it'll lift the deck reducer up out of its nest, and it'll unlodge any obstruction in the deck. This is a huge deal. No more plugging up, no more aggravation, no more wasting time trying to hit those nuggets out with a sledgehammer. Safety, production value, all that comes when you invest in a Blueline Rock Grizzly. So a lot of people don't know this, but when you purchase a Blueline Rock Grizzly, technically you can rent it out and make money. It will pay for itself in no time. Some people take advantage of that. Some people just want it for their own processing. Either way, you cannot go wrong with the purchase of a high-performance, self-cleaning, dynamic dampening, multi-sizing Blueline Rock Grizzly. Once again, special thank you to Nathan over at Euchre Mountain Logging Inc. This is a legacy play for a legacy family. They've been in the logging industry for generations and for generations to come. Thanks again, Nathan. Once again, my name is David from Blueline Rock Grizzly. Thank you so much for watching.
Give you high performance.